Hello everyone, welcome to Heather's Home Kitchen. I'm Heather Klug, registered dietitian with the Karen Yance Women's Cardiac Awareness Center. Now tomatoes and peaches are in season right now, so I'm going to show you a really easy dish that you can make using both of those items. All right, so we're going to use naan bread. Oh, actually let me show you what it looks like, that might help. So we made up one of them already. So this is called the Summer Bounty Flatbread appetizer. Doesn't that look good, guys? It looks delicious, and don't worry, it's super easy to make. All right, so let's get started. So you're gonna look for some whole grain naan bread, and this is like an Indian type bread. You can find this at most grocery stores. I'm using the Stonefire brand. And so you're gonna take that out and you're gonna spray both sides with nonstick spray. I have like an avocado oil spray that you can also find at most grocery stores. So we're just gonna spray both sides just so it doesn't stick to the grill, okay? And next we're gonna put it on the grill. I have the grill set to medium-high heat. Okay, so we're just gonna open that up. And I'm going to lay this down here kind of right in the middle. Let me see which side I want down first. Let's do this one down because I want to put the toppings on the other side. Okay, so we're going to put the lid back on. And then the next step, you're going to take either some ricotta cheese or you can use goat cheese. For those of you that are very sensitive to lactose, I would recommend using goat cheese. Let it sit out at room temperature a little bit. You can also warm it up a little bit in the microwave. But this is really easy. You're just gonna add a little bit of oregano to it. Chop up some green onions. And we're gonna add those in there. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to this, okay? Roughly like about a half a tablespoon. And we're gonna mix all of this together. Okay, so really, really easy. And then we're just gonna wait until the naan is grilled a little bit on one side. You're not doing it for too long. You really only need about 2 minutes on that first side, okay? All right, so look at that, really easy to do. All right, I'm gonna set that down. And then we're gonna go back to the grill. It's been close to 2 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead, and take this off. All right, hopefully carefully. And I'm just gonna put that on the plate. I'm gonna flip it over. It's gonna feel kind of soft in texture, just so you know. And then we are going to spread either the ricotta cheese or the goat cheese mixture on that. So I'm gonna put what I prepared. I'm just gonna put it all on there and then I'm gonna spread it out with a knife. With the naan being nice and warm, that makes this step really nice and easy. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. You want it to go not quite all the way to the edge, but kind of close. And then the next step is where we make it really pretty looking with the tomatoes and the peaches. All right, so with the tomatoes, I have red ones, and I also thought it would be kind of pretty to have some yellow ones in there. So you can put these on however you want. You can cut them in different size shapes if you'd like to, if you'd like them a little bit smaller. And then we're gonna add our sliced peaches on here as well. This is something maybe if you have kids at home, they might wanna help with too. All right, so real easy to do here. I'm just gonna load that up. Let's squeeze in one more over here. Okay, so our naan bread is all decorated. So now we're gonna put it back on the grill, okay? I'm gonna try to do this sort of carefully because it's kind of loaded on here. I'm gonna be really careful, but we're gonna set that back and we're gonna put the lid on and then it's gonna cook for about 3 minutes, okay? And then when you're done with it, here's what you do. You just top it with a little bit of torn up basil. Look at that. We'll bring in some pretty green kind of colors. If you can get a close-up of that, honey, so people can see what it looks like. Doesn't that look so pretty? I can't wait to eat this for dinner tonight. And then if you want to, you don't have to do this step. It just adds just a tiny bit of color. If you want, if you have kosher salt, you can sprinkle a little bit on there just as kind of a nice little finisher. All right, there we go. The Summer Bounty Flatbread Appetizer. Doesn't that look great, everybody? Healthy, delicious, and easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.